To set your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to read caller names aloud over Bluetooth and headphones only, you have to enable the read callers names aloud option in the phone app setting and then set it to over Bluetooth and headphones only. To do so, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting. Tap answering and ending calls. Next, tap the gray on-off switch next to read caller names aloud until the switch turn screen to turn it on. Tap read caller names aloud and then select over Bluetooth and headphones only. With this setting, now when you have incoming calls, your phone will only read the caller names aloud when your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device or headphones. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.